my husband's new car. He think he got something for me, y'all. He ain't got not a damn thing.
You actually leave this gas right here?
Huh?
This gas.
Yeah. Why you always flexing every time I put you on the camera? All right, y'all. So he just got this today.
Huh? No batch.
Got a good suspension on it. Cage is already inside of it. I can't open up the doors right now, but the other side, huh? You said go through the front?
Special,
oh yeah, there's no
delivery.
There's no windshield, so we're gonna put a plexiglass inside of it.
Cage ready.
Gonna put a plexiglass on the inside. It has a switch panel. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Where is it? Can you
Follow
see that?
the fingers.
There it is.
Slowing down. Slowing down. But other than that, then we good to go. I might have to put a seat in here because you always want me to ride in your shit. You got to ride with me.
Don't complain.
It's a nice cage though.
Yeah, and it's tough. It's tough too.
Huh? Yeah.
Look at this, guys. It's tubbed out. You see that?
You know what?
It's fun.
For the back, like the shit you good at.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm excited. I'm excited to bust your ass.
you a damn guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick his ass.
That motherfucker wing straight as hell.
It's going down. For who? For me or for you?
She done fucked up, y'all. I'm busting her ass.
You see, it has a whole full cage. It goes all the way up to the front where the motor is. Yeah. Little TLC.
See, this how they tied the frame. You see how they tied the frame?
Yeah.
That's how they tied it.
You're going to have to choose whatever shifter you want to go with, too.
2-3 power glider.
You want to do like the one I got?
Nah, I'm gonna give me some. Oh,
Oh, my goodness. Well,
they got it.
crazy. So we're going to be out this summer.
Can we should go that color?
What you guys think? Maybe drop it down in the comment box. What do you guys think? You think that he should keep the red?
Go with this color?
Go with that red color here? Or what do you think is a good color?
Let us know. We about to get it.
Yeah, let us know. Drop it down in the comment section. What do you think would be the best color for this? So there's no motor in it.
That's a street car. It's a street car.
Okay.
It's all steel.
I'll steal you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the next day. But I told you guys that I got him a Camaro for his birthday. Over the next week or so, we're going to start working on getting a motor put in. And the goal is to be out by this summer. Do a little bit of traveling, maybe. Go to Kill Care. Guys, let me know which track is your favorite. I get a lot of mixed reviews about the tracks, so I don't know. I would say my favorite is Edgewater. I love Edgewater. But you guys let me know what's your favorite. Maybe some ones that's out of the state, maybe. But yeah, this year, you know, me and my husband are looking to do some traveling.